In this video, I will show you how to schedule a text message on an iPhone. First of all, you need to open the shortcut app. If you can't find the shortcut app, search for it or download it. Once you are in the app, go to the bottom and tap on Automation. Then tap on the plus button. Start by selecting New Automation. Then select Time of Day. Scroll down to Repeat and choose Monthly. Then select the day you want and set the desired time to run immediately. Then tap Next to confirm it. Next, tap on Send Message. Then tap on Message to type what you want to send. For example, I am typing Doctor. After that, choose who you want to send it to by tapping on Recipient. Then tap Done. You can add more people if you like. You can tap the play button at the bottom right to test it. If you open message, you will see that the message has been sent. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.